Dear aspirant, the subjective knowledge of what you are learning is necessary, isn't it? Because this kind of learning helps you solve the objective type questions. But you must know that the objective type learning through any subject becomes hard to deal with the subjective type questions based on the very subject. The descriptive type learning is the real assessment of your skills. It develops in you the skills to deal with any issue concerned in detail. It develops in you good communication skills, and this is what the examiner wants you to have. This is the reason why the RBI Grade B exam has given more weightage to the descriptive type knowledge. In the second phase of this exam, you need to spare more time on descriptive type papers than on objective type papers. This implies that the subjective type knowledge is to be focused more. If you are good at it, you are good at this essay section of the descriptive English paper as well. Friend, now the question arises how you should deal with the subjective questions on ESI and FM, which will carry 50 marks each in the second phase of RBI Grade B exam. Friend, as you deal with an essay, so you need to do in case of writing the questions on ESI and FM. These two papers must be based on a particular pattern, the introduction, the body and the conclusion. You know that 6 questions will be set on each paper and you need to attempt 4 questions. Out of 4 questions, 2 questions will be of 15 marks and each, and the rest 2 questions will be of 10 marks each. The time allotted for each paper is 2 hours. Again, one more common question arises: what should be the length of the answers to the questions carrying 15 marks and 10 marks? Friend, the questions carrying 15 marks should deserve around 150 words, whereas the questions carrying 10 marks should deserve 75 to 100 words. We can understand it taking an example. A question carrying 15 marks reads in the ESI paper as: what are the arguments for and against full capital convertibility for India? To deal with this question, you have to set the target of writing its answer in about 150 words. It must have a pattern such as a brief introduction to full capital account convertibility, its current scenario in India, and then give your arguments in support of and against this topic. You can also conclude it with some concluding words. Thus, deal with each question keeping in mind this pattern so as to frame your answer effectively. But friend, you must bear in mind that even if you have enough knowledge about the prescribed topics, it is highly suggested that you should start framing your answer on our platform www.bankquiz.com for free. This would prove to be a better strategy for mature preparation. Wish you all the best. Thank you.